Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Terrain. Stock number is A7616. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now. You have a rear backup camera, dual point exhaust, and this Terrain is all-wheel drive. Looking in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.